Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a quick video in partnership with a company called Quntis to unbox and install this 4-light vanity light fixture in my guest bathroom. Now I'll be replacing the existing light that's already installed to give my guest bathroom a little bit of an update. Now the install itself should be fairly easy, quick, and something that you can do on your own, especially if you're comfortable with DIY projects. Now, while I'm unboxing this, let's quickly talk about some safety precautions and instructions that you should consider before installing these lights. First, you're going to want to make sure that you've turned off the electricity supply to the location where you plan to install these lights. Second, you're going to want to make sure that you don't turn that electricity back on until the fixture is fully assembled and installed. Third, if for any reason you need to repair or make any changes to the light installation or the fixture itself, you'll want to make sure that you again cut off the electricity to the location and also allow the bulbs to cool before you actually start working on any kind of repair. And then finally, fourth, although this is easy to install and should only take about a half an hour or less to set up, you'll want to make sure that you carefully read the instructions and are comfortable performing any DIY projects like this. Now once you finish unboxing everything, you should have one fully assembled light fixture that has 4 independent and disassembled light fixtures, as well as 4 glass lampshades, 4 metal covers, and then 4 acrylic columns that provide the light. And then you should also have your screws and nuts and bolts, as well as your instruction manual. Now you also, on the light fixture itself, do have your mounting bracket plate, which is something that you're going to remove and then install once you remove your existing lamp or your existing light that you're trying to replace. Or if it's something new, it might be something that you're going to have to use to install it normally. And then once it's fully installed, this is an example of what the light fixture should look like fully assembled. Now, what's nice about this light fixture is that it's got 5 selectable color temperatures and a max brightness of 2600 lumens. Now if that's too bright for you, it is also dimmable, which is always a welcome feature when it comes to LED light fixtures. Now the light fixture itself is made completely of metal and glass with acrylic accents and columns, and it does come in different colors. You have the option of selecting either black, brushed metal, or chrome, which is the version that we got. Now, when you start the install, again, you're going to first want to make sure that you switch the power off to the location where you plan to install the light fixture to avoid any kind of mishaps. Now, once that's done, if you are replacing an existing light fixture, you'll need to make sure that you remove that according to the light fixture's instructions. And because you are already removing an existing light fixture, there is also probably already an existing mounting plate that you'll want to remove as well, since this new light fixture has a custom mounting plate required to mount the new light fixture itself. Now, a piece of advice when doing this installation: I don't recommend that you fully assemble this light fixture with the glass lampshades and the acrylic columns first, since it'll make the light fixture itself very heavy. I do recommend installing those after the base light fixture is connected and mounted on the wall to make things a lot easier. Once the existing light fixture and mounting plate are removed, the first step is of course to remove the mounting plate from the back of the new light fixture itself. Now once that's done, you'll need to install the mounting plate on the wall to the outlet box using the screws that came with the package itself. You'll also want to make sure once that plate is installed that you also pull the existing power cables through the center of the mounting plate. Next, you'll need to connect the different wires to the matching wires on the new light fixture itself, matching copper wire to ground wire, red to red, and black to black, using the wire nut caps that were included with the packaging itself. Before you finish, make sure all the cables are secure, and then you can push them either back into the outlet box behind the plate, or you can secure them behind the light fixture itself as you're attaching it to the wall. Now, once you've confirmed that all the wires are secure and also placed back behind the mounting plate, you'll need to line up the fixture so that you're able to secure the light fixture to the mounting plate itself, using the small screws on the top and the bottom of the light fixture itself. That in itself should be the hardest part of the installation. And then now that the light fixture base is installed and mounted to the wall, it's time to install the metal covers, the glass lampshades, and the acrylic columns onto the light fixture itself. Now, for this part of the install, I do recommend that you start on each side of the light fixture itself to ensure that it is balanced as you install the individual lighting fixtures. Now, this part is relatively easy, starting with the metal covers, then the glass lampshades, and then securing those on by screwing in the acrylic columns into the fixture itself. Now, once you've installed all 4 of the fixtures, starting with the outer fixtures and then finishing with the inner fixtures, you should be done. And then last, it's just a matter of turning the power back on and then flipping the switch to turn the light fixture on. And voila, we have light. Now, in order to switch between the 5 different color temperatures, there is a little black switch on the side of the light fixture base itself. With that switch, you should be able to switch between 2700K for soft warm white light, 3000K for warm white light, 4000K for neutral white light, 5000K for cool white light, and then 6500K for day white light. Now, in order to take advantage of the dimming capabilities, you'll need to install a dimmer wall light switch if you don't already have one, which is something I'm probably going to install a little later after this video. Now, for those of you that are interested in power consumption details, each of these individual light fixtures across the entire fixture itself are 7 watts at 95 lumens per watt. That gives you a little over total of around 2600 lumens. Now, what I like about this light fixture compared to the light fixture that we had installed previously is that this one's got a lot more options and customizations to fit different scenarios and comfort levels. Also, aside from the 5 adjustable color temperatures, I like the fact that you can also dim the lights for each setting, which also adds a lot of flexibility for the different people who use our guest bathroom. And then the best part of this new light fixture is that I no longer have to replace light bulbs, since the LEDs are already built into the fixture itself and have a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, which is a little over 5 years before I'll even need to consider replacing them. That's compared to the LED light bulbs, which I've had to replace every few months in our existing or previous light fixture. Now, as you can see from a side-by-side comparison, the new light fixture makes a huge difference versus the previous light fixture. In fact, I love the convenience that the new light fixture offers and appreciate the customization that it brings. It simply looks amazing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're interested in purchasing this light fixture for yourself, I'll leave a link to it in the description section below. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, please support this channel by clicking that like button and subscribing. If you've got any feedback or questions that I didn't cover in this video, please also leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll respond as soon as I can. Now, if you don't mind, please also make sure you ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.